James and Hannah share 60 pence between them. James has 8 pence more than Hannah. How much pence do James and Hannah each receive? Okay, well, if there's 60 pence, okay, let's just start off here by having a bit of a guess. Okay, so we'll have maybe two columns here, one for James, one for Hannah. Okay, now when I have a guess, I want to sort of be sensible to start with, right? I don't want to start off with silly numbers like 1 pence each maybe to start with, because you know it's got to add up to 60. Yeah, so let's go halfway. Let's suppose James has 30 pence, okay, and Hannah, well, then Hannah would have to have 30 pence, wouldn't she, because it has to total to 60 pence. Okay, now they add up to 60. However, James has to have 8 pence more than Hannah. That's not the case here. Okay, so what we'll do now, we'll increase the amount that James has. So maybe we'll go 31 pence for James. Okay, now if James has 31 pence, remember it still has to add up to 60. So that means Hannah has to have 29 pence. That will add up to 60. So what I've done, in effect, I've increased James' share by 1 pence, but then I've had to decrease Hannah's share by 1 pence. Still adds up to 60. Look at the gap. The gap is 2 pence. He's got 2 pence more. Still not good. So let's increase James again to 32 pence. So I'll increase him by a penny, and then obviously I'll have to decrease Hannah by a penny. Okay. In a sense, what I'm doing is I'm taking a penny off Hannah, giving it to James, and then obviously Hannah's got 1 less penny. Add them, it comes to 60 pence. What's the gap? The gap there is now 4 pence. Okay, so the gap is 4 pence. Well, we're not quite where we want to be, but we're getting it. So let's increase James to 33 pence. Okay, which means then Hannah decreases a penny to 27 pence. What's the gap? 6 pence. 6 pence. So we got to do it again. Increase James by a penny, decrease Hannah by a penny. That adds up to 60 still. Okay, so that's is satisfied there, and the gap is 8 pence. James has got 8 pence more, so that will work. So 34 pence for James, 26 pence for Hannah.